In this video, I'll teach you how to connect Google AI Studios to API. If you're trying to get an API key for your Google AI Studios, let me quickly show you how it is done. Inside of the Google AI Studios platform, on the bottom left of your screen, you will see a section called Get API Key. You can just click on this option, and I have already gotten a key, so you already see this option. But if this is your first time, you can click on the Create API Key on the top right, and then you'll need to name a key. Either you can import your project, create a new one, or if you already have one, you can click on and select it. Name your key whatever you like, and then click on Create Key. And there you go, your key now has been created. If you click on the key section, you'll be able to view the API key right here. You can just click on the copy option and then copy and paste this key wherever you like. So that's basically it for today's video. That's the way that you connect Google AI Studios to API key. If this guide video was helpful, be sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for today. I'll see you in the next one.